Hi guys, so today, oh my god, there's a big ass fly in here. Hi guys, so I'm gonna be re-dyeing my hair. I got a different hair color than last time. This one's supposed to be a little bit darker than last time, so I'm hoping it is a little bit darker. Color black cherry and then a 20 developer. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my hair looks like right now. Super poofy, feels super dry too. What I forgot to get is some gloves, so but yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It looks very washed out. It's been about a month that I dyed my hair, and it looked very bright for about 2 to 3 weeks. After 3 weeks it started fading, and I really want to do some videos. I want to do some videos, some like Halloween videos, and I don't want to have like super faded red hair. So that's why we're gonna redo it. So I'm gonna go ahead and change my shirt and get this stuff ready, mixed in, and find some gloves that I can wear, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's like a literally bubblegum pink. I have gloves, I just don't know where they are. I just washed my hair out. I left it for about 20 minutes and then I rinsed it out. You can't really see it right now because it is wet, so I'm just gonna let it air dry. I'm also gonna add this leave-in conditioner that I bought as well. I got all of this at Sally's, and I really like this because it leaves your hair looking so soft and so shiny. Hi guys, so today, oh my god, there's a big ass fly in here. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna take you guys with me. Why is there a fly in here? Oh my god. Okay, hi guys, so today I'm going to take you guys with me just to go to San Francisco. I'm finishing up my makeup, and then I'm going to go do my hair and get ready. My laundry's done. Today I'm going to take you guys with me to San Francisco. I'm just finishing up getting ready, and then I'll show you guys how my hair looks like after I dyed it again. It is a little bit darker. I got some fallout. Forgot to shake it. I was supposed to leave, or technically be ready, at 12, and I'm not ready. And all I've had so far is coffee and then one of those cookies over there that my parents got from Costco, and my hands feel super jittery. And then I was just listening to music right now, so I'm like super hyper. And usually in San Francisco it's always super windy, so I don't want to wear any eyelashes because they just end up falling off. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara and then do my lips. I mean, I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I kind of wanted to keep it very natural. I always like to put on my setting spray before I put on my mascara, because sometimes I don't like using waterproof mascara. So you don't want that dripping onto yourself. What the hell? Got a big dot. Oopsie. I don't know if you can see it. There's a big dot. I mean, I also did it pretty close to my face, so. I messed it up. I got this NYX lipstick, a lip liner. This is in the shade brown, and I like it. It's not too dark. It's a little dry though. Plus I feel super shaky because of the coffee. Like, usually that happens to me when I have coffee and then I don't eat anything. And I feel like my skin looks really dry. I know it looks really bad, but I like to use this lip plumper and just blend it in. I'm gonna use this like lip pencil to just kind of like clean it up a bit. So I know I told you guys I was gonna go to San Francisco, which we still are. It's just I didn't know that, because we had to stop and drop up some papers in a completely different like city, which was like a little bit over an hour. Technically still towards the same direction as San Francisco. It's just that we're not going to be passing through the bridge. We're going like around San Francisco, but we're still going to San Francisco. It's just we're not going to get that view of the bridge, but we'll get it on the way back. This is what my hair looks like. This is in the sun. I feel like it's a little bit more natural. So this is the other bridge that we're going to be passing through. What is this bridge called? This is in the Golden Gate. Usually when we go to San Francisco, we pass through the Golden Gate. But this is the other one. I'm gonna call it the ugly one. No, it's actually not ugly. Have you seen it at night?
No, it's actually quite beautiful.
It just has lights on it. But you can't really see it because of the fog. But we're gonna pass through it. Puerto Rico está cabrón. There is 2 miles. Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 2C. Like, looking at these buildings is kind of scary. Keep left. They're so shiny. Excuse me, sir, can we merge over there?
Everyone's good to f*** up.
Look at this guy.
Is he cold or is he hot?
Is he cold? That's what I was thinking. Yeah, I think this is the ferry. I think this is where it would drop us off, to be honest. Have you ever been on a boat? You don't like the sea, huh?
No, I'm too scared.
It's okay.
Look at that guy sleeping with his
Oh my fuck. We just saw a guy just laying. I'm not gonna show you because we already passed him, but he was just laying on the floor with his pants down and you can see everything. Welcome to San Francisco. Pier 39, Pier 39. Yeah, well, I mean, it's just like a 10-minute difference.
10 minutes? That would have taken us 20.
So this is what my hair looks like in the sun. It's a little less carrot, more, what would you say?
Blood red.
Blood red. It's more like a dark cherry. For some reason, it doesn't seem like weird, like recording here, because I feel like everybody's weird here, so it shouldn't be that bad. Ow, my finger. So these are the calamaris. So we just finished eating and I was saying that the lobster roll he got was really, really good. And then he was saying that my calamari was but it was pretty good. We're gonna walk a bit. We're just gonna like walk around the pier for a bit and just go sightseeing. And then after, we're gonna get some crepes. we got tickets for the 7D ride experience. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Might as well get some coffee to wash it down. Hold the donuts, drop it. I've never tried these donuts.